Here is a simplified explanation of Article 317 of the Indian Constitution, which deals with the removal and suspension of a member of a Public Service Commission, PSC. This includes both the Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, and State Public Service Commissions, SPSC. Summary of Article 317. Clause 1. Removal for misbehaviour. A chairman or any member of a PSC can only be removed by the President of India. This can happen only on the ground of misbehaviour, and that too after the President refers the matter to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court conducts an inquiry, as per procedure in Article 145. If the Supreme Court reports that the person should be removed, then the President can order removal. Clause 2. Suspension during inquiry. Once a reference is made to the Supreme Court under Clause 1, the concerned person can be suspended by the President, for Union or Joint Commission, by the Governor, for State Commission. This suspension is temporary and continues until the Supreme Court gives its report and the President makes a final decision. Clause 3. Direct removal by President. The President can remove a member without involving the Supreme Court if they a. are declared insolvent, bankrupt, b. take paid jobs outside their official duties, or c. are physically or mentally unfit, in the President's opinion. Clause 4. Misbehaviour defined. If a PSC member is involved in any government contract or agreement for personal benefit, it is treated as misbehaviour under Clause 1. However, if the benefit comes as a shareholder in a company, along with other members, like a regular investor, it does not count as misbehaviour. Purpose of Article 317. This article ensures that PSC members cannot be arbitrarily removed, especially for misbehaviour. Their independence is protected, while also maintaining accountability. There are clear grounds and procedures for removal, ensuring fairness and transparency. The Constitution of India. Part 14. Services under the Union and the States. Chapter 2. Public Service Commissions. Article 317. Removal and suspension of a member of a Public Service Commission. 1. Subject to the provisions of Clause 3, the chairman or any other member of a Public Service Commission shall only be removed from his office by order of the President on the ground of misbehaviour after the Supreme Court, on reference being made to it by the President, has, on inquiry held in accordance with the procedure prescribed in that behalf under Article 145, reported that the chairman or such other member, as the case may be, ought on any such ground to be removed. 2. The President, in the case of the Union Commission or a Joint Commission, and the Governor in the case of a State Commission, may suspend from office the chairman or any other member of the Commission in respect of whom a reference has been made to the Supreme Court under Clause 1, until the President has passed orders on receipt of the report of the Supreme Court on such reference. 3. Notwithstanding anything in Clause 1, the President may by order remove from office the chairman or any other member of a Public Service Commission if the chairman or such other member, as the case may be, a. is adjudged an insolvent, or b. engages during his term of office in any paid employment outside the duties of his office, or c. is, in the opinion of the President, unfit to continue in office by reason of infirmity of mind or body. 4. If the chairman or any other member of a Public Service Commission is or becomes in any way concerned or interested in any contract or agreement made by or on behalf of the Government of India or the Government of a state, or participates in any way in the profit thereof or in any benefit or emolument arising therefrom otherwise than as a member and in common with the other members of an incorporated company, he shall, for the purposes of Clause 1, be deemed to be guilty of misbehavior.